We're here to change the way the world looks at the sky.
It's a truly inspiring challenge to solve. To fly a single manned vehicle for 20 minutes without refueling or recharging. Because the tech is advancing and the cost is coming down, anybody with a smartphone or a laptop or a computer can connect with anybody around the world, find someone who's got the shared passion and interest, and there's nothing really restricting you from doing what you want to do. We've already overcome our own borders and boundaries to connect and work together. Coming from all different parts of the world, but we're all here for the same reason.
So people will look up and see the same thing we do, an opportunity.
TE Connectivity has always pushed the boundary of engineering, innovation, and mobility. We are inspired by and are determined to support the possibilities of rFlight, be it providing disaster relief in remote areas to being able to take to the skies with the same freedom and thrill of a motorcycle.
There's no instruction manual, but at least we have all the parts.
We are proud to connect with teams like rFlight. We are making the world a more innovative place. Because at TE Connectivity, every connection counts.